Are you looking for instant inspiration when you sit down for a writing session, or a distraction-free zone when you are writing? Today I have another hack video for you, and it's all about music. Hey there, my name is Caitlin Duncan and I am a traditionally published author and ghostwriter. So today I have another hack video. If you missed my previous two about the Comic Sans productivity hack or the Pomodoro method and writing sprints, I'm going to link them in the cards above and in the description box below for you to check out after this video. Today we're talking about music. A lot of writers I know incorporate music into their writing sessions. I'm going to delve a little deeper into two reasons why music can help improve your concentration and productivity within a writing session. Music has the ability to inspire while also lowering distractions. Inspiration is a fickle thing, especially when it comes to a creative art. A lot of people say they want to write a book, but are never inspired in the moment. And to be honest, when I wake up at 5 in the morning and have the choice between writing because I'm inspired and staying in bed, most of the time I want to stay in bed. But for the last 2 years, I've been a full-time author between my ghostwriting and my published books, and I've treated my ghostwriting as my full-time job, so if I wanted to get paid, I had to get inspired. With a young child at home and a lack of sleep, I was maybe inspired 2% of the time, maybe. Instead of waiting for some invisible muse to come out and inspire me to write, I turned on music. So in the time I spent brainstorming and outlining prior to drafting a book, I would spend time listening to a lot of music. I try to find songs that would inspire me and bring out that muse whenever I needed her, whether it was an emotion or setting that I wanted to bring forth during a writing session. My playlists are a mix of songs with lyrics, which I will listen to prior to a writing session, and instrumental songs that I listen to while drafting. With these playlists, I try to create a little bubble of an environment that I can sink into at the beginning of a writing session, so I can immerse myself quickly into the story. Nobody has time for the muse to wake her butt up and sit in the corner with you or on your shoulder while you're writing when you have a deadline staring you in the face. The second way I use music is to lower distractions. Have you ever written in an eerily quiet room or an extremely loud one? For me, neither of those helps make the words flow. Most of the time I write from home, and the computer hum next to me really doesn't help me in a writing session. Or when other people in my house are having a conversation, either inside the room or right outside the door. There are also times when I leave my home bubble, if you can believe it or not, and I write in a coffee shop or at the library. While these places are great for inspiring real-life dialogue and people, and to get this author out in the real world, when I need to write, I can't listen to other people talking or eating or anything to distract me. Listening to music blocks out everything so I can concentrate on the writing. When it comes to the type of music to listen to, that is completely personal. I know people who can listen to music with lyrics while writing, where I am absolutely unable to do that. So for this hack to work, you sort of have to figure out what works for you. If you're interested to know some of the playlists that I listen to while writing particular projects, I'm going to link my playlists of my writing playlists in the cards above and the description box below if you're interested. So that's my quick hack for today about how to incorporate music into your writing. Let me know in the comments if or how you incorporate music into writing or any other creative art. While music helps me get inspired about 98% of the time, there's still a little percentage there that I do actually get stuck within my writing. So next time I'm going to talk about reverse outlining. If you've enjoyed this writing hack, do give it a like and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you know the next time I post a writing hack. Now get back to the writing and I'll see you soon.